Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is an after convention video. After convention, the Bilt in October 2025. And the reason that it is an after convention video is because there is something wrong, or maybe not quite alright. Depends on your definition. What I changed last time was that I added a manometer, an air pressure meter, right here. And during the first test after installing it, it turned out that the pressure was not quite high enough, and that was caused by this motor being too slow, and this motor is the compressor motor for the air. So I increased its speed, then the pressure was okay, and then the fingers worked. And then I was at the convention and it didn't work out. And it turned out that the pressure didn't go high enough with the correct motor speed. So I want to check out what happens. Is it just a lower voltage somehow? Is the speed not enough? What happens? So that's the main thing that I want to test today and see if I can solve it. Screencast, and obviously the camera, source code and the diagnostics interface, which I did not write. But also the question is which interface to take, because I have two interfaces, and then the motor of the compressor is connected to the first interface and motor 1, if everything is correct. So I have taken interface 0, and then this should be working. Yeah, very correct. So full speed, and that was the issue last time because it was speed 5. Looking at the pressure meter, it is slowly building up, which is only good. And then at 0.04, I should be able to do anything. So switch thumb, valve thumb, that is M5 mode, yeah, 05. So that should be this one. Am I at the correct speed? Yes, 04, even a little bit up. Then there is no response at all. And that's a bit peculiar. Oh, I see another one acting up or responding. So that is, oh, the camera is not responding, but it is the middle finger, no, the ring finger that responds. So actually it does work out. So quit. It makes a lot of noise, but the ring finger responds, so that is all right. And the pressure is still is now slightly lowering because the air is no longer being compressed. And I have to restart the camera. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. An interesting experiment. with unexpected conclusions. Some theories that proved wrong, and then a new theory that needs to be further investigated. But that's for next time. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. By the way, if you want to see everything, you will have to become a patron or a member of Ko-fi, or buy the video via Patreon or Ko-fi. And well, this will be continued without a doubt. Thanks to my supporters for supporting. If you want to support, please do so via Patreon or Ko-fi, or PayPal, or just buy me a coffee. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.